Starting a new job, whether it's a transfer or a new hire, is a very exciting time for an employee. But when that new job requires relocation, sometimes nerves can overwhelm that excitement. And as someone in charge of relocation, their overwhelmed worries can in turn overwhelm you. When they're asking you questions about where to live, go to school, find a doctor, and everything in between, it's really hard to say, I don't know. Yet, with all the other hats you're wearing, it's even harder to find the time to hold their hand when relocating employees need it the most. That's why relying on a partner that wears just the relocation hat is such a great idea. But in order for both you and your employees to benefit the most from that kind of partnership, you need to rely on the right company. Go with the big guys and you're just another number. Opt for the smaller shops and you're not getting the comprehensive knowledge you need. For the company that's the best of both worlds, rely on PRC Relocation and Consulting. At PRC, we're a full-service relocation provider that'll tailor our services to the exact needs of your organization and employee. With over 25 years of corporate consulting and relocation experience, we've gathered more than a few tips and tricks to make your relocation program affordable, enticing, and easy. Here's how. Whether an employee is moving across the state, country, or world, you can choose exactly what you need from our array of services and programs. Whichever you choose, both you and your relocating employee have a single point of contact throughout the entire move. Someone who's accountable for the employee's satisfaction. You know, making sure they know where to go to school, find a doctor, and everything in between, without losing sight of your company's costs. And it's all backed by MoveTrack, our proprietary technology giving you the information you need, like employee expense tracking, budget accrual, even real-time and year-end reports, all located on a convenient database or web portal that's easy and intuitive to use. It's full-service relocation from a company who's in business to make sure you succeed. That's why we've helped so many companies nationwide relocate their employees around the world. With PRC Relocation and Consulting as your partner, imagine relocation without the worries. Contact us today. Let's have a simple conversation to discuss what your current relocation program is like, and we'll let you know how we can help. Thank you.